Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Gemini. Let's see what's coming up, guys. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energy, for your career situation and love energy, Gemini. So that is for your daily reading, guys. This is for your career situation and this is for your relationship and one card for the oracle guidance. So that is a general guidance what we can follow to make things go in a better way, guys, in our life. So let us see what is the card for your daily reading first. The Magician. So with this card in your situation, this may relate to your personal life or your career. So it just means that even though when we have that skill and that determination, when we put in that efforts and sometimes we may see that the expected results it may not be up to expectations, guys. But sometimes when we believe in that higher power working in our life, having that trust and faith on that, along with that efforts, that truthful efforts that we are making today in life, it will help us to work that magic. It will give us that extra push towards success. That is what this card is about, guys. So we have to have that trust in ourselves or that higher power that is working through us. When we have that faith and trust, we will work magic in our life. So it may mean something that we are doing in your career or in your personal life, guys, Gemini. So what is the card for your career situation? Two of Air. So with this card in your career situation, Gemini, you have that you are not sure about your future. You are thinking about that options and you feel that you need to take a break and think before you step into a particular path, and you feel that you cannot rush things because you are not certain about that path or about that choice. You don't have clarity about something, so you are considering your options you need to take and the next step. So you are taking time to decide. That is what I see with this card here, guys. Let us see what is the card for your relationship. Eight of Fire. So with this card for your relationship, guys, you are in this connection with this person, you are gaining momentum. You see a better understanding day by day in this connection. You have a better clarity about this person and you are building this relationship with them, and this relationship is progressing in a very positive way, guys, and you are celebrating how this connection is unfolding and transforming. That is what I see with this card here. So happiness and better understanding is what I see with this card. Let us see what is your oracle guidance. Flexible. So just like that card, guys, the name of the card, the oracle guidance for us is to have that flexibility or adaptability, have that open-mindedness in our situation. So in this relationship, when you are open to this person, open to their new ideas, or open to the new situation and give up your rigidity, you will be able to see that you will enjoy something new and you will be happy for it. And the appearance of this card means that the person you are in connection with may not be of your type, may not be someone you expected. They may be something different, someone special in their own way. So if you give up that rigidity you have about this person, or that dreams that you have about this person, that expectation, you will experience that beautiful love and this positive connection with this person, guys. So that is this the meaning of this oracle. And the same way in your career also, wherever your situation or circumstance is leading you, when you have that same way in your career situation, guys, when you are very flexible, the choices that are coming towards you or some opportunities, when it is not up to expectations, and when you are not rigid to take up that choice, you will see that you will enjoy miraculous results, because whatever is destined to come towards you, all that positive changes will always come towards you, guys. So that is the oracle guidance with this card, and that is the reading for you all today, Gemini. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.